Hi, I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes LLC, and today we're live at an open house that we're having here that is a rental property. 3-bed, 1-bath, single family resident home that we have. Gated yard here, the fireplace, and a shed out back as well. Here's your lovely shed you got here. All right. And I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes LLC. And my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina, well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. But today, we're at one of our rental properties, and we have this on the market for rent. And this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath in Bartow, Gordonville. If you're looking for a place that's been rehabbed, got new countertops, new cabinets, new backsplash, new appliances, you can reach us at 863-410-0877. 3-bedroom, 1-bath, new ceiling fans, LED lights throughout the house. New baseboards, 5.5-inch, new blinds. Central air and heat, new texture knocked down on the ceilings and knocked down on the wall. Beautiful tile work in the bathroom. Three-bedroom, the master bedroom here. New hardwood floors. LED lights. You can reach us at 863-410-0877. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, which is available now. Click the link below. Please share and like. Also, if you have a home that you refer to us, we will pay you $1,000 if we acquisition and close on that house after we close on it. No wood houses, all block. All right. Salute all veterans. Please like and share.